Hello and welcome. Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen, sharing with you today our latest arrival to our approved used stock. Today's the turn of this Volkswagen T-Cross crossover, available here in the popular SE variant, with the exterior painted in Urano grey. This car will benefit from the convenience of automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as silver alloy wheels to contrast the Urano grey paint. Additionally, stylishly designed taillights in the back with a practical load area that even offers 60/40 folding split seats with a variable boot floor that can be dropped down to create even more space. Moving to the rear, loads of legroom and headroom can be found for up to 3 passengers in the back, with a sliding bench and even 2 ISOFIX chat anchor points. USB Type-C and B connectors can be found, whilst in the front, decorative door and dash inserts will complement the front seats that are a bit more pronounced, offering additional side bolster support. The driver will enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, capable of operating most vehicle functions. Digital speedometer will complement the analog dials, and there is a host of safety systems such as lane departure, adaptive cruise, blind spot, as well as city emergency braking on offer. All your music and Bluetooth can easily be operated from the steering wheel directly up ahead, and in the center, 8-inch composition media system will have all your entertainment needs covered, with the likes of DAB radio, as well as media source inputs such as those on the screen. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and for your navigation there's both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection with a speaker sound system that can be adjusted to individual tastes. You can even choose the focus of the sound on various aspects of the cabin, whilst various other car settings will allow you to optimize this T-Cross, truly making it your own one. Other great benefits will also incorporate various other vehicle system settings, and to help you park, optionally upgraded front and rear audible and visual parking sensors have been fitted. Moving further down, easy to use air conditioning can be found with upgraded winter pack heated front seats that are great companions for the coming winter months.